This is the recipe for one of the best body scrubs I have used. You are going to need coffee as main ingredient. This one is a mix of Arabica and Robusta, made in Cameroon. I hear it's one of the best on the world markets. Don't take my word for it. You are going to need brown sugar, again made in Cameroon. I am finally getting rid of it. The temptation to eat it was too much. You'll also need corn flour. I did not buy this one. My mom sent the corn to me about 2 months ago and I just grounded it today. Last thing you'll need is oil. Any one of your choice. I am using palm kernel oil. We trust it so much here, we use it on baby skin. That's how much we trust it. For 2 quantities of coffee, I'm going to add 1 quantity of corn flour and 1 quantity of brown sugar. I am now going to mix all these ingredients together till they blend completely. I have tried other DIY scrubs, but this one is at the intersection of what I have and what I need. Now it's time to add oil, 1 quantity of it but in 2 times. I feel it's easier to mix this way. I have used this scrub for about 4 years, and one of the things I love about this scrub is that it can be kept for months. I have kept it for up to 3 months at room temperature and nothing happened to it. Once you're done mixing, transfer it to a clean container. Make sure the container is dry. You do not want water to get into this mixture. One of the reasons it can be kept so long is that all the ingredients used have a low humidity level. You want to keep it that way. This is the right way to use the scrub every time you need to. Open it, then you use the lid as a container for the amount you're going to need that day. I always use about 2 tablespoons of it. I put it on the lid, then that is what I take away to the bathroom. I don't keep my scrub in the bathroom, it's too risky. Never you dip your fingers directly in the scrub. Never, don't do that. This is me scrubbing my leg after my pedicure routine. I am probably going to upload the video of the pedicure routine next week, yes. All things being equal. I apply the scrub on wet skin and I scrub in circular motions. That's how I use it. Circular motions, always. So, that is all I have for you in this video. Hope you learned something. And like I always say, things are definitely going to get better for you soon. They can never stay the same. Take care. Bye.